So hello everyone. Today we will learn the break and continue in a Python. This is the two keywords. So let's start. Break. The break statement is used to terminate the loop immediately when it is encountered. So example like if we are having the for loop I int range is 6. So it loops is running 6 times from 0 to 5. Okay, and we are making here like if I is equals to 3, it means we are giving them one condition there. If condition I is equals to 3, then we mentioned here key like break. So here that for loop is terminated. Terminate means break, totally break. It cannot be execute after next levels. So after that we are print here I. So here the output is 0, 1 and 2 because if condition is true or satisfied, that's why it will be the break. That's the reason break is doing the nature is terminate, then code is terminated, like they are stop there only, for loop stop there only. That's why after the for loop you can write anything, it will be the work, but in the for loop that for loop only terminate. That's all. Next, continue. We can use the continue statement with the for loop to skip the current iteration of the loop, then control of the program jump to the next iteration. It means continue what here do. We can see in an example like for I in a range is 6, we are taken I and range is equal to 6. Okay, in that also we are mentioning if condition like I is equals to 3. So after that we are do the continue. If condition is satisfied, then only, if condition is satisfied, then only continue will be run, and that continue will run for the skip. That iteration means value, like we are mentioning 3, then 3 is skipped, they didn't print or they didn't execute or they didn't show anywhere. So after that it will be the run the program. Break is doing termination, continue is doing skip. This is the main difference from the both sides. After that we are mentioning here print I, then output will be the come here like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 5. So like this way the output is showing, because 3 is not showing here because of the if condition we are mentioning the 3. That's why it skip and jump to the next values. So next, so let's start the coding. So we can take here one for loop for I in range is 6, and after this we can mention if condition. If I is equals to 3, then break. So simple. And after that we can print, use the print function to the I. So we can check here like python main.py, and yeah, here is the output is coming 0, 1, 2, because break is did the termination only for this break condition. Either I will write here like print hello, then it will be the work, it is not impact. This break only used in a for loop only here only in a for loop, no other ways. Understood? Break is only in a for loop. After the for loop break can't use, break can't do anything. So better understanding, only break is used in a for. Okay, so let's start with the continue. We can give the for I in, again range is 6, and we can do here like if I is equals to 3, then we can do like continue. Okay, and we can print here I. So simple. So what is the nature of continue? Continue is skip only which is condition we are mentioned. So we are mentioned condition is I is equal to 3. Let's start python main.py and check. Oh, spelling mistake. Python. So here is the 0, 1, 2, and our condition is 3. I is equal to 3. That's why 3 is keep, and they given us the result is 4 and 5. So pretty cool. Suppose in this case I will do here like 4, then it will be the skip 4. Let's see. 4, not a 3. 3 is showing us. Suppose if you want, no, I want 4 value. So you can type this before the continue. Then it will be the showing you 4 value like this. But why you want a 4 value? Because already using the continue keyword. Then why you want 4 value? I just give the for example to understanding how it's work the continue. If we are mentioning the continue, then only the skip that value. So this is the break and continue. So thanks for watching. Keep enjoying the Python series. Thank you so much.